In order to maximize the retention of the members in your gym, you really need 3 core components in place. So today I'm going to share with you the recipe and the ingredients for success in terms of retaining members. The first thing that we need is an onboarding process. So an onboarding process is designed to communicate with a member and engage a member and help them get started, to help educate them about the gym and how to get the best possible results. So we want to really build on their momentum and help them get started. Our next element that we need is a support process. And this will typically focus on people that need more support. So this might be people that are inexperienced. They might have never been to a gym before. They might have been to a gym a long time ago, but these people, it's a big learning curve coming to the gym. So we need to provide some additional support, guidance, and attention for these type of members. So you want to have a process to identify them and provide them with more face-to-face support. And typically it's 20 to 30% of your membership base that fit that criteria. The third element that's critical is interaction and a sense of community. So a lot of retention reports talk about the concept of member to trainer connection and member to member connection. So people that come to the gym and it's a friendly environment and can talk to the staff, talk to other members, have a much more enjoyable experience and are much more likely to stay longer. So we want to ensure we build interaction into our staffing model. We want to ensure that our staff are talking to members, that they're being friendly and so forth. So we want to try and do everything we can to build that sense of community and connection between our staff and our members. So if you have those 3 elements in place, your retention should look after itself.